everybody, it's Kelly, and I have a quick little process video today using some Cheeky Studio product. I'm going to take that kind of, I don't know what to call that multicolored pattern paper. It's from Creative Memories. I believe it's from the Mix and Match Blue collection, and I'm going to mount that on that card there. Except what I decided to do is leave 1/8 of an inch around each side of it so that the basil cardstock, which is the card base for me, is revealed in white. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's a fairly thin cardstock, but that's fine because or a fairly thin pattern paper. That's fine because it is a card here. And that little striped paper on the back that I just saw when I did this is going to feature, is going to give me an idea. Let's put it that way. I'm not going to spoil the surprise, but it's giving me an idea. Now I'm going to take this dot pattern paper and I want to add this to the card. I'm trying to decide how I want to put that little bunny die cut on this. And I decide I like it at the bottom. That is also from Creative Memories, and I think it's also part of the Mix and Match Blue collection. And see that little offcut I put there, that striped little offcut? That's part of the background that I cut there of that multicolored paper, and when it flipped over it was a stripe, and I thought, oh well, if I'm going to do the card like this, 1/3 2/3, then I think it would be nice to have some sort of piece to divide the two, and that works out perfectly. So there you go. And now I'm going to take this little die cut here. That is from the Cheeky Studio Easter 2018 Ephemera. And the only thing about that ephemera that's 2018, there's nothing actually about the ephemera collection itself. There are some flare pieces in this collection, and there's one that says 2018. That's the only 2018 thing. So don't let the 2018 scare you. This is a darling little Easter or spring collection. Now I just took that little piece there that says Somebody Loves You from Echo Park Hello Easter. It's the ephemera pack, and I put that on the inside of the card. Now I'm trying to figure out if I want to add something with that bunny die cut on the front, and I couldn't figure it out. So now I'm going to try to use some of this Cheeky Studio 2018 ephemera to use on the inside of the card. I'd like to add it to that little die cut there so it's something a little bit different. And thank goodness, by the way, that my mom does not watch my YouTube videos. She's not a scrapbooker at all. She used to make cards but doesn't so much anymore. She has less of a tolerance as she gets older. Anyway, because this Easter card is for her. So now I found these two Pussy Willow die cuts, and I really like them, and I like how they look sort of on the side here. So that's the pieces that I'm going to use on the inside of the card. Now I don't always put things on the inside of the card, but in this case I'm going to. I just think it's really cute, and I think that'll be fun to add in there. And then I'll just take, I'm using my Scotch quick dry adhesive in my fine line bottle there. Alright, so back to the front. I need to figure out what I'm doing here. I found this cute little sticker that says Hop into Spring, so I just kind of put it lightly there because I thought I might like that there, but then I decided I probably really need something right there as well too. And I don't like the shape of it, so I'm just going to cut that bottom sort of little arrow piece off, and I'll tuck it in here. It's going to take me just a minute. This is her Easter card, so it's nice that it says Easter fun on it. And that bunny is so cute. I'm glad I get to use, and this is my last bunny from that Easter ephemera. Okay, so I was going to take that Hop into the Spring sticker off, but it's stuck to the background. So guess what? That's staying there, and it's fine. It doesn't look bad or anything. It's just I probably would have preferred it without it, but that's okay. Something a little bit different. Now I am using these these sequins from the Easter 2018 sequin mix here, and at first I'm thinking I'm going to put a dark one and a light one in each cluster. When I get them on there though, I don't really love them. I think it's a little bit too much is kind of what my thought is to this about why I didn't really like them. So what I end up doing is I end up taking the dark sequin off and leaving the lighter. It's really more of a medium tone sequin, and I really, really love the way that looks. So I'm going to grab my little mini micro glue dots here, and I usually put those on the piece that I'm gluing the thing to. It just is a little bit easier for me anyway. All right, there you go, guys. So I'm just about done, and as soon as this is all finished, I will show you a still shot and a detail shot. Hope you guys are all well. I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye. One more thing, guys, don't forget to use the code Kelly10 when you place any Cheeky Studio order to get 10% off your order. Bye.